So what is new payments architecture and how does it relate to the ISO 20022 migration program? Okay, so new payments architecture basically is a word that's used to describe the upgrade of the low value payment systems in the UK. So by that, I mean BACS and faster payments. And the idea is that both those systems are going to be replaced with what's being called new payments architecture, which is basically going to be a new platform that will support both of those payment types. Now, where does that tie into ISO 20022 is that a key part of what new payment architecture is going to do is it's going to work using the ISO 20022 sort of formats. So this is why it's really important when you sort of think about ISO 20022 migration. You've got to be thinking about the fact that BACS and faster payments are going to migrate to this format, certainly within the next 5 years. So today, you know, when we make a BACS payment or a faster payment, there's some very basic data we need to have to make that payment work. When new payment architecture is rolled out, you will require the extra data points that we've been talking about currently for CHAPS payments. So LEI, POP, structured address, structured remittance, etc. You will need those to make those payments work.